In this video we will see how to distribute gems with a progressive size. Here we see that we have a new kind of design, so we will see everything to can model this kind of designs here. So here what I have is a design made with a mirror modifier here, so you can see here I can hide it or not. And so yeah, I would like to add some gems here, but I would like to add some gems with progressive size, and I have a possibility to do that with the add-on. Now I have this ring, and I have a pendant too as well, so add pendant double, and with a few here distributions to make. And I did already make the extraction of the curves. You see this tree 1, this tree 2, and etc. So it will be perfect to show you what we want to make. So let's go here into with the ring. With the ring I didn't extract the curve, so like this I show you again. Now I take here from this and here. Okay, I will make Shift D to duplicate the object and make P to extract this into a new object here. So it will be ring 001. Now it will be the name distribution curve as usual, but always important to really organize and rename your inside your files, that when you open your files again it will not be a problem after. Then we will make a new collection here, and this collection here will be inside this one. We will call it gems. Good. Now the distribution curve, I have to make a right click on it and make a convert to curve. So now it's the little icon of curves. Inside the gems here I will add the gems. So let's take whatever size. We will take maybe 0.7 to start. We will see after that. And yeah, we will distribute as usual. So you take the curve, then the round, and make a distribute on curve. So we have more or less something good. But what we would like to is to have a different size between the first and the last one. So first of all I will manage the start, and as you can see the start, the end are here. So the curve is inverted, so this is interesting. This I will show you how to manage that and to not have this kind of problem. Let's say we would like to start by the little one and not by the big one here in the, so let's say yeah, just how to manage that. I may Control Z just here to come back into my curve here. Okay, I go into edit mode and just remember to enable here the normals to can see the direction. You can see some arrows there, so it shows you the direction from the start to the end here. Okay, but you can invert that. You go into segments and switch directions, and now you can see that it did invert the direction. Now if I make my distribution again, you can see that now the starts manage here, the start, that's what we want. So let's say the quantity for the first will be 1, because we want only 1 there at this size, and the size might be 0.5. It's little, but it seems that it will be this. Okay, let's add another one, and let's add a distance here, absolute offset. You can see, so 0.2, it's a little bigger, I guess 0.1 will be good. And let's increase the size of the second one, and again, very easy, and again. So I use the Shift key, as you can see here, when I manage this, because when you use the Shift key in Blender, it will help you to have more control of the manipulation here. Okay, So I increase this one as well, and again, until I have the last one. It's not done yet. Perfect. And until the last one. And if I increase until here, it looks okay. It seems that it goes a little inside, and so I can manage here the absolute offset and decrease that a little, and now I have everything that I want. So all the gems are selected, and I just have to make a mirror now into the x-axis, and now I have all my gems that are that perfectly fits inside the ring here. So this is the first example. So as you can see, easy, you just add gems progressively with different sizes, but it stays in the same distribution. That's why it's so easy to make. Now let's go into the pendant here. And so we have the pendant. I will take this, make a first distribution gems. Oops. Sorry. Here the first gems, and add a gem. Let's say this time we would like something a little different, like egg marine, let's say. Okay, I will not change the cut. I will take simple one. It might be a little too little, but we will see. So let's take the distribution 1 and the round, and let's make a distribute on curve. Okay, so we have quantity 10, and we will manage that to have what we want. So I will make maybe 2 by 2 at this stage, maybe something near 0.8, and add 2 here and increase. No, I will remove this one, quantity 2 here. So increase a little, 2 by 2. It might be okay like that. Increase the size of it just a little. Add another one, 2 again. Increase the size. Add another one, 2 again. It really depends of the rail that you have, but 2 by 2, it's okay now. It's not that complicated like that. And a plus 2 again. And now we have more or less what we want. Now we just have to manage the size of it. If we want something less big, to let some space, so we can manage, for example, here and a little there. And now you have exactly what you need. Okay, and you understand what we want. We'll make exactly the same for this one. So I will add a new gem, and this one, I will add a new gem. This gem will not be egg marine, it will be something like amethyst here. Okay, and I will distribute this on the next one, on this tree here. Yeah, let's take this one, it works well as well. So this and that, and let's make distribute on curve. Distribute on curve. This with shift key, sorry, here. Yeah, inside the 3D view it's shift key, inside here it's control key, so be aware of that. Let's increase the size of it here. 2 by 2 might be okay for this one as well, maybe sometimes even 3 by 3. And look at this, how it's easy to make and to fit perfectly what you want. Maybe even 3 for this one, no, 2. Just 2, it's good. Perfect. I had another one, 2. Decrease it this time. what is good is I can start by increasing and decrease in the end. And let's say 1 again, that I will decrease. And in the end, as I need more space here, I will increase a little the absolute offset like that. And as you can see, we have something perfectly aligned and that fits very well. Now I will add another gem here into the gems here. Let's add something like, what do we have here? Maybe citrine or spinel. What is the color of spinel already? It's red. Perfect. So we take that one and this one with shift key, not control key, sorry. Okay, and we make a distribute on curve again. We will take 2, increase the size in the beginning, and manage the start to fit well. And let's go only 1, and here with 2 again. And again. Yeah. That. Another. And we are not far. Maybe I can just add 1 here because the decreasing is going fast, and I will add 2 in the end. Yeah, something like that, even in 2 times. Okay, and the last one that I will decrease a little. Perfect. I change a little the start, not the start, but the absolute offset here, and we have something perfect now. So as you can see, we can really manage progressive things like this, and it will give perfect result. So that's it. Here we have the pendants with the gems, okay, that I will put inside the pendants like that, okay, that you can enable here. And here you have the ring as example. So this is the technique for progressive size distribution. In the next video, we will see how to keep those gems into the ring and how to manage that with a jeweling technique.